Most people don't stay poor because they lack money. They stay poor because they follow the same financial path as everyone else, and that path was never designed to make you rich. Today, I'm going to show you the one reason most people will always stay poor and how you can avoid it. Hey, what's up, guys? Zach here. Let me ask you a quick question. Why is it that millions of people work hard every day, wake up early, go to work, pay their bills, and still struggle with money? Meanwhile, a small group of people keeps getting richer every year. Is it luck? Is it talent? Is it connections? Not really. The truth is much simpler, and once you see it, you can never unsee it. Here is the one idea that explains everything. Most people trade time for money. Rich people own things that make money without their time. That's it. That's the difference. Poor and middle-class people work for money. Rich people make money work for them. And if you follow the first path your whole life, you will almost always struggle financially. Let me explain. From the time we're kids, we're taught a very specific formula. Go to school, get good grades, get a job, work hard, save money, retire. Sounds reasonable, right? But there's a hidden problem. This system trains you to depend entirely on a paycheck. And when your entire financial life depends on a paycheck, you are always one problem away from stress. Lose the job, income stops. Take a break, income stops. Get sick, income stops. That's not wealth, that's survival. Let's look at how the average financial life actually works. You get paid, you pay rent, you pay bills, you buy food, maybe a new phone, maybe a vacation, and suddenly the money is gone. Then the next paycheck arrives, and the cycle repeats again, month after month, year after year. This is called the paycheck cycle, and millions of people stay trapped in it for 40 years, working hard but never truly getting ahead, not because they're lazy, but because they were never taught another way. Now, let's look at what rich people do differently. Instead of relying only on work income, they focus on assets. Assets are things that produce money. For example, investments, businesses, rental properties, digital products, content channels. Things that keep producing income even when you're not working. While most people are spending their money, wealthy people are buying income streams. Over time, those streams grow, and eventually something amazing happens. Their assets start paying for their life, not their time. So if the idea is so simple, why doesn't everyone do it? Because building assets requires something people struggle with: delayed gratification. Most people want rewards now. New phone now, new car now, new clothes now. But assets require patience. Instead of spending money today, you invest it to grow tomorrow. Instead of instant pleasure, you choose long-term freedom. And honestly, that's hard. That's why only a small percentage of people ever build real wealth. Let's imagine two people. Both earn the same salary. Person A spends most of their extra money, upgrading their lifestyle every year. Better car, better apartment, more expenses. Person B does something different. Every month, they invest some of their income into assets. At first, nothing exciting happens, but after a few years, those assets begin producing income. Maybe dividends, maybe business revenue, maybe online income. And suddenly, person B has 2 incomes, then 3, then 4. Meanwhile, person A still only has 1. Guess who becomes financially free first? The moment you stop asking, how can I earn more money, and start asking, how can I own things that make money, everything changes. Instead of only thinking like a worker, you begin thinking like an owner. And ownership is where wealth is created. Think about it. Employees earn salaries. Owners earn scalability. Their income can grow without working more hours. That's the real secret. Not working harder, but building systems that earn for you. Now, here's the good news. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need $1 million. You just need to start small. One asset at a time. One investment at a time. One smart financial decision at a time. Over years, those small decisions compound into something powerful. And eventually, you step out of the paycheck cycle. Not overnight, but step by step. So remember this. Most people stay poor not because they lack opportunity, but because they follow a financial path that was never designed to build wealth. If you want a different life, you must follow a different strategy. Start building assets, start thinking like an owner, and start today. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more simple strategies to grow your money, and I'll see you in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Make sure to turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of my new videos.